when she looks at me. I know the girl sees things nobody else can see. All of the secret fears inside, and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Come what may, she believes in that fate is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open a door, making me love myself a little more. Nasaan ka na ngayon? Ngayon'y hinahanap ka ng aking puso. Tayo man ay nagkagalit, di rin kita masisisi. Mahirap limutin ang matamis na pag-ibig. Pa'y sarap na isipin, narito ka sa aking piling. Come what may, sana ay magbalik ang pag-ibig natin noon. Come what may, sana ay magbalik ang pagtingin mo sa'kin ngayon. Yan ang hinihiling ko sa'yo.